Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. So this is another one of my clients whose hair I did pretty regularly when I first lived in Arizona. And then this is my first time seeing her since I have moved back. I used to only do sew-ins on her, flip over method sew-ins. I feel like one other time I may have done a different type of sew-in or a crochet or something, but mostly flip over method sew-ins. But this time she needed her hair pressed. So this is my first time actually ever pressing or trimming her hair or anything like that. I forgot what she said. She said she had tried a couple of people. I forgot what happened. I noticed a lot of people, what they're having an issue with in Arizona is the reliability of a lot of stylists. Some be happening where people just become janky. I don't know, babe. But anywho, again, not gonna do too much talking. If you've seen any of my other videos, I've used the same products. I will probably be linking my, well, not probably, I will be linking my healthy hair guide. It's always linked, especially on a tutorial. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. TTYO.
to the house.